After election period and bush burning are coming to an end, this season's turning. Rain soon blessing the soil anew. Burlabo, Pabin, Paratu. La Boto, Kula Leda, La Mogi rise. Villages waiting on the skies. Our statesman YKM preaches love and peace. The 4-acre motto may its blessing increase. Grow the food, keep the poultry right. Courts and settlements shining bright. Farmers of Uganda prepare the ground. In this sacred cycle, life is found. In the villages of Uganda they start preparing the soils with hopeful heart. Utilize the motto, make it grow. Harvest joys that overflow. Our statesman YKM preaches love and peace. The 4-acre motto may its blessing increase. Grow the food, keep the poultry right. Courts and settlements shining bright. Farmers of Uganda prepare the ground. In this sacred cycle, life is found. Government support, we need it right. Money and tuk-tuks through day and night. Access to farmlands, markets too. Together we build, together we move. Our statesman YKM preaches love and peace. The 4-acre motto may its blessing increase. Grow the food, keep the poultry right. Courts and settlements shining bright. Farmers of Uganda prepare the ground. In this sacred cycle,